What's up? What's up? What's up? Okay, people, today we're gonna see, or you're gonna learn how I'm gonna cook all that delicious fish I caught a couple days ago on a charter boat. Was that kind of robotic? Like, But you know what? Don't matter, I'm hungry. Let's go. Wow! Check this out. That was my attempt and my mistake. Too much paprika, but it's gonna be still good. There you go. So this is what we do. We're gonna sprinkle some delicious hand-cut, organic, sweet Walla Walla onions. That's right. Maybe one garlic. That's all. That's all she said. One garlic. Gonna take this nice fillet of this bottom fish. Look at that. Look at that beauty. Just leave it in here. Sprinkle some garlic for good luck. And darn it, I'm touching everything. So we're gonna do some pepper. That's all she said. Just put some pepper on it and some of that Himalayan salt. I refill this thing with Himalayan salt. So don't judge me. That's all. That's all she needs. That's it. This is beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And look what else I'm doing. Look at these peppers in the air fryer. That looks good. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna give one a try. That's right. Oh, that's hot. We're gonna have it with baked potato, and of course, Mimi. And of course, we're gonna have it with salad. So that's how you cook food. That's how you cook your seafood. Look at that. It's gonna be delicious. So how to catch and cook delicious fish with Andre. That's right. That's right. And let's repeat it. 1. These are big fillets. 2. We're gonna put some of the garlic. Some more garlic. Some pepper. That's right, and a little bit of salt, and I'll have to disinfect everything. Look at that, that's just beautiful, or what? We're gonna take some grapeseed oil and just drizzle just a little bit. Just a little bit on each fillet. I love using grapeseed oil because it's beautiful. Beautiful. Seriously. What else we're gonna do to this fish? I'm thinking we're gonna put some of these peppers. This is my fish, so I'm gonna throw a jalapeno and a sweet pepper. That looks pretty good. Would you say so? All those flavors gonna marinate. It's gonna be delish. And for everybody else, just a nice charted pepper. Look at that. Maybe on top. Yeah, I think that's better. A little bit on top. Dang, that looks good. That looks just good, or what? I think this big one needs 2. Seriously. And I love onions, so I'm gonna put more onions in mine just to get rid of it. Oh, it's gonna be just explosive. It's just gonna explode with all that beautiful flavor. Oh yeah, look at this garlic. Charred garlic. Let's throw a piece. Well, what the heck? It's not gonna like hurt anything, right? A little bit of that garlic flavor, that umami garlic flavor. That looks good. That looks good. Seriously. Seriously, that looks delicious. I would say so. Look at that. Pretty simple. We're simple folks. Just pretty simple right here. Look at that. Turned out pretty dang good. And it's gonna go in the oven right after the potatoes are done. They're almost done. They smell amazing. We're gonna properly wrap this up. Just like this. That's it. That's all we need. Right here. That's perfect. Times 5. And it's gonna go right there in the oven. Check this out. This is what I got. Fish right here, potatoes right there. Let's throw this in for a couple minutes and be done. Oh, it's gonna be amazing. I had to see if it's done, and look at this. That's done. This is flaky, delicious goodness. This is done right here. So, thank you. Thank you for watching this video with me, and hopefully you enjoyed it, because I know I will right now. Thank you. Goodbye. Subscribe to my channel. Hey, so that food was so delicious, and I'm still hungry, so check this out. What we got in here? Oh yeah, Dungeness crab. Me and my boy gonna mop this up real quick. We already mopped up a whole crab, so we got another one on the way. And this stuff is delicious. Like, this stuff is really delicious. Crab is delicious. Can't say enough. Seriously, this is what you do. You take a crab. You break this crab. And you see all that meat? Elijah, you want some of that meat? Okay, so this kid loves crab. Seriously. Crab is good. Hold on. Just cut myself. Sister, if you never had crab, Dungeness crab, you only had blue crab, that's nothing. You didn't have any crab. Look at that meat. Look at this. Big chunks of delicious meat. Seriously, look at that. Look how much meat we have inside of the crab. Look at these big chunks of meat. Look at that. It's good. Seriously. The best crab is when you catch it yourself. You crab? Okay, look how much we have in one of the arms or legs. Look at that chunk. You want some of this? Watch this kid. How is it? Good? Look at him. Do some jumping jacks. You like crab, yeah? Yeah. This kid is so tough. He plays with these kind of toys. Is this your toy? Yeah. You want some more crab? Yeah. Seriously. This is how you pull crab out of this piece. Just squeeze it. Good stuff. Good. You squeeze it. It's good. Hold on. I'm gonna show him how easy it is to get some crab meat. Look at that. So you got the point, right? Crab is delicious when you catch it and cook it yourself. Seriously. We made a bunch of crab cakes. We've been eating crab for like the past 4 days or 5. This is our 5th day. Dang, this stuff is good. Look at that. You break it. Watch this. Look at that. Dang. So hopefully you got the point. Look at that. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this crab for you. I'm gonna finish this. It's amazing. Hopefully I don't have anything all around my face, but this stuff is amazing. Amazing. So this is the Dungeness crab, and this is the red rock. See? A different, see, this is a baby claw. And this is a Dungeness claw. This stuff is like 10 times harder than this stuff. You want some crab, Eliana? Alright, we're gonna have to clean some crab. Look at this claw.